Hi guys, my name is Germal. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make 10 liters of liquid soap with less than 5,000 naira. So we need to understand that these are chemicals and we need to be protected. Wear your hand gloves and nose masks. So let's move on. I'm measuring 50 grams of caustic soda. So we're going to mix in this caustic soda with water. Okay, please do not pour water into caustic soda. Pour your caustic soda into water and we're going to leave it there to dissolve. While it's dissolving, I'm going to be adding 350 grams of texapon and 500 ml of sulphonic acid. Sulphonic acid is a degreasing agent and also helps in foaming. Texapon is a foaming agent or a thickener. It helps to bring all these chemicals together. So we're going to be mixing it properly and effectively. Please, when mixing, don't let it splash all over. Please be careful and take your time and mix, but don't be too slow because it's going to form lumps. So remember that 500 ml of caustic soda solution that we left somewhere to dissolve. We're going to be pouring it into this bowl containing our sulfonic acid and texapon. Let's not forget we use 50 grams of caustic soda, 350 grams of texapon, and 500 ml of sulfonic acid. So while mixing, please be careful so you don't attract too much bubbles, so you can be able to see what you're doing. Because if you add too much, if it has too much bubbles, you won't be able to see what is going on in your mixing bowl. So please keep stirring properly. And after this, I'm going to be going in with 500 ml of this of clear water. Okay, we're not going to add anything in this water, just pure water, like clear water, that's what I mean. And mix properly. While mixing, you're going to notice that it's beginning to foam. Please mix appropriately so it doesn't over foam. Don't be too hard with your mixing. I know it's tough, but don't be too hard with your mixing. So we're going to go in with 100 grams of soda ash. When you hear soda ash, you basically hear soap. Soda ash helps to reduce the surface tension between water and your detergent. Okay, so we're going to mix it with 500 ml of water and allow it to sit. So while we're allowing it to dissolve, we're going to go in with our remaining 8.5 liters of water. So we're going to add in our 100 grams of nitrosol. Okay, nitrosol is a thickening agent and it also helps to bind all these chemicals together. So we're going to mix properly. Please, when I'm going for your thickener, I think I would advise you to go for nitrosol because it's soluble in water and easily dissolves compared to xanthan gum and other ones. So nitrosol is my go-to anytime I want to make liquid soap. So mix properly, take your time, but don't be too slow. After that, I'm going to be adding 100 ml of SLS. For me, before I use SLS, I always allow it to I always blend my SLS. Okay, blending your SLS makes it easier for it to dissolve in water because SLS is in rice form. When you go on biochemicals, you will see all these things. So I'm going to go in with my texapon, sulfonic acid, and caustic soda solution. Please mix appropriately and make sure everything dissolves to avoid lumps. While mixing, don't over mix so that it doesn't start having um excess bubbles. This will ensure that you're seeing what is going on in your mixing bowl. Okay, I'm not saying I should not mix. Please mix very well because these things are thick and if you don't mix, it's going to have lumps. But don't mix the way that it will start forming excess bubbles. You can mix. So this is the 5 mils of Germal Plus I add as a co-preservative. Okay, like I said, sodium benzoate might not be able to protect this when the pH is less than 4, and every soap has a pH of at least 7. So that's why I went with Germal Plus. So I just went in and added my foam booster. Okay, foam booster is a liquid agent that helps to boost the foam. Please let's not forget that SLS is a foaming agent. Okay, foam booster helps to is also a foaming agent. It is very affordable. So we're going to just go and mix properly. And after this, I wanted two colors and I divided into two different buckets. And I'm going to be using pink for one and green for the other. So please make sure you're mixing properly so you avoid lumps. So I'm just going to go in and add my colors now. So this is a pink. Before you add your color, please make sure you have dissolved your color in water first. Don't just pour your color in. It's not like, well, for me, I just feel like it's better for you to mix in water before pouring into your solution. Then I'm just going to go in with the other bucket and mix my color. And after that, I think we're done. So yeah, we're done. But now I forgot to add something and we're going to see it very soon. So, when you're making detergent, you have to also make sure that everything is safe for you. You need to add some things like perfume, For the smell, you don't have to be inhaling chemicals when you're washing and all. So we're going to go into our glycerin. Glycerin is just going to help attract moisture from the air and moisturize your hand. And after that, I'm going to go in with my perfume. I used about 10 to 20 mils for this perfume, for this liquid soap, because I'm using an industrial perfume. Industrial perfumes are more concentrated compared to the other perfume that is sold in the shop. So if you want it to smell nice or stronger, go for industrial perfume. It has a more concentrated smell. Okay, so after 3 hours, this